Casa stands as a beacon of contemporary elegance, an architectural masterpiece nestled by the sea. Its design defined by lightness, transparency, and seamless integration with nature. Those who pass by are immediately captivated by the grand spiral staircase visible through the expansive glass windows. Positioned above a serene reflecting pool, this staircase seems to have effortlessly descended into place, as though it were a natural formation rather than a man-made structure. Its airy design not only draws the eye but also sets the tone for what lies within, symbolizing the fluidity and grace that defines the residence as a whole. The house itself is a study in light and space, with natural light flooding every corner. The ground floor is a testament to the architect's vision of complete integration between indoor and outdoor living. The social area seamlessly blends into the pool area at the back of the property, where a side view of the sea enhances the feeling of openness and connection to the surrounding environment. The pool, flanked by glass and situated within a passageway leading to the seafront, offers a tranquil retreat while still being part of the communal space of the condominium. This interplay of private and public, openness and enclosure, is a key element of Casa design. Moving to the second floor, the residence takes on a more sculptural form, dominated by a striking C-shaped volume made of exposed concrete. This bold architectural statement houses four luxurious suites, each surrounded by a slatted wooden facade that can be opened or closed depending on the desired level of privacy and light. When closed, the wood creates a warm, protective envelope around the rooms. When open, it invites the abundant natural light inside, reinforcing the home's connection to its environment. The use of wood, concrete, and glass throughout the structure not only adds to the minimalist aesthetic but also ensures durability and a timeless appeal. One of the most impressive features of Casa is the way the architecture eliminates boundaries between indoor and outdoor spaces. The minimalist frames of the large glass doors disappear into the walls when opened, making the ground floor feel like an open-air pavilion. This design allows the residents to fully embrace the beach house lifestyle, where the lines between socializing, relaxation, and nature are intentionally blurred. The level flooring throughout the residence, both inside and out, further enhances this sense of continuity, making every part of the home feel connected to the outside world. Inside, the interior design mirrors the light and elegant contemporary architecture of the exterior. Clean, straight lines dominate, with materials like corten steel and exposed concrete providing a modern, industrial edge. These are softened by the extensive use of white and natural textures, such as wood and stone, creating a harmonious balance between the stark and the organic. The result is a space that feels both sophisticated and welcoming, a perfect reflection of the home's overall design philosophy, where simplicity, functionality, and beauty come together in perfect harmony. Casa du Mar is not just a residence. It is a sanctuary, a place where architecture and nature coalesce to create an experience of living that is as serene as it is inspiring.